Hello everyone, how are you doing? Hope you're doing. You guys are doing great. Today we are going to learn that how to reference in different styles. You might have heard that this is APA style, this is MLA style. Sorry, this is APA style, MLA. Where we need to you need to give reference in HRS or Chicago or Vancouver or so many different styles. So what these styles are, how to give referencing, and they are very minute details which are very difficult and hard to remember, and that we mostly face problem in that where to put comma and where to put full stop and where to use capital letters, and how whether we need to write our the author's name in first or in reverse order, etc, etc. So today we are going to answer it all these questions one by one, right? Coco Manzoor is here, the trainer, speaker and life coach. I make videos for you guys. There are more than 250 videos at this YouTube channel. You can watch them, you can utilize, get benefit out of them, right? Okay, so let's begin. What we can do in referencing, we can simply use, there are various ways, but we'll select with the easiest way. So first of all, you will write here scholargoogle.com. You're going to Google Chrome or any internet browser you are using, right? Okay, now here let's suppose you have used a book for in your literature, and you want to give reference of it. So this is a strategic management book by HIT, right? Okay, so the first one is intersection of entrepreneurship and strategic management research. No, this is not what we are looking for. Yeah, here is the book, right? Strategic Management Cases and Competitiveness and Globalness by M.A. Hitt, D.R.R.D. Ireland, Hockenson, etc. Got it? You want to give reference of it. So here you will come down, and here you can see the two comma type icon, right? And you can see when you take your cursor near to it, you will see a word cite, C-I-T, cite. So you'll simply click it, and here you get the references. If you want to go with MLA Modern Linguistic Association, right? Modern Language Association, APA American Psychological Association, Chicago style, HRS Harvard Referencing style, right? Vancouver, any style that you want to use it, so you can go with. Let's suppose you want to go with the APA. It's not your choice basically, but if you are writing a thesis or an article, so you have to see what your university demands for, right? If the university says that you should go you should use the referencing in APA style, then you have to give referencing in APA style. If they are demanding any other style, so then you have to go for it. Usually MLA is used for languages, right, and humanities. APA is used for business and psychology, etc., right, like American Psychological Association and other sciences. And similarly Harvard referencing style is usually used in business cases, right, business studies. So it depends again, and the journal's requirement where you want to publish the article, or the university requirement where you are studying and you have to write the thesis. So anyway, whatever style you want to use, you simply click it here, right click, copy, and here you want to, let's suppose you want to give references, right? So simply paste it here, paste, and you will get the reference. That's it. You see, you don't need to know where to put comma and where to put full stop, and how to write the names, whether in the first name should come first or the last name should come first, and whether we should write all the name complete names, or should we use like abbreviation, like you see HIT comma M dot A dot. That's it. So means you don't need to remember all these things. You just have to give the you just have to put these details in the Google Scholar, and it will make the referencing easier for you. So I think let's take another example. Let's suppose you are using a research article, like here is a research article, evidence that emotional intelligence is related to job performance, etc. Let's suppose you have used something from this article and you want to give reference of this article. So simply select it, right click, copy, and again you will come to the Google Scholar, right? Here we'll eliminate all this, and we'll paste it here, right, and search, right? So here comes evidence of emotional intelligence related to job. Again, you have to you need to take care that the right article should be selected for the reference. Sometimes you will see 2 3 4 5 articles similar to it, so don't get confused of it, right? So again, here you come, 2 commas, and click this site and you will get all the citations, referencing styles, right? Click it. Let's suppose you're using APA, and here simply paste. That's it. And finally, when you complete these referencing, so simply you can do it by use this and go for alphabetical orders. So you have to give reference in alphabetical order. So anyway, I think it's simple and clear. Now you won't get confused that how to give referencing. It's very simple and easy now. Thank you very much and have a great day. If you have liked the video, you got the concepts, so please do share with others so that everyone can get benefit out of it. Thank you very much.